Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a popit. I haven't played with one of these before, so it's going to be my first time. I haven't opened this yet, as you guys can see, and it just got here, so I'm excited. This should be it, because I don't know what else, except, yeah, thank you. Yep. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is actually pretty fun. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I like it. It's a good fidget toy, I guess. And got it off Amazon. It's actually pretty cheap. It was like $7, $6, something like that. It's a good deal for some of these. You can get mini ones that like with keychains and stuff. But yeah, this is just a video on unboxing a popit and seeing what it's like to pop it. Thanks for watching. Bye.